5 foods to avoid for fatty liver. In this video I will tell you about 5 foods that you should avoid if you have fatty liver. If you have been diagnosed with fatty liver, it is important to make dietary changes to support your liver health and reduce further fat accumulation. Here are some foods that you should generally avoid or limit if you have fatty liver. 1. Alcohol. Alcohol is a major contributor to fatty liver disease. It can cause inflammation and damage to liver cells, leading to fat accumulation. Drinking a large amount of alcohol even for just a few days can lead to a buildup of fats in the liver, which is called alcoholic fatty liver disease and is the first stage of alcohol-related liver disease, ARLD. If you have fatty liver disease, the damage may be reversed if you abstained from alcohol for a period of time, which could be from months to years. Therefore, it is important to avoid alcohol or drink in moderation if you have fatty liver disease. 2. Added sugars. Foods and beverages with added sugars provide excess calories without providing any nutritional value. They can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and fatty liver. Fructose is a common type of sugar, and its overconsumption may result in insulin resistance, oxidative stress, inflammation, elevated uric acid levels, increased blood pressure, and increased triglyceride concentration in your blood and liver. Large amounts of added sugar in the form of fructose overload the liver, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This is a condition characterized by excessive fat buildup in the liver. One major source of fructose is high fructose corn syrup, which is used to sweeten soda, candy, baked goods, cereals, and more. Therefore, it is recommended to stay away from sugary foods if you have fatty liver disease. 3. Fried or salty foods. Too much fried or salty food is likely to increase calorie intake and can lead to obesity, which is a common cause of fatty liver disease. Excessive sodium intake can contribute to fluid retention and increase the risk of liver damage. Limit consumption of processed meats, bacon, deli meats, canned soups, pre-packed meals, and salty snacks. Read food labels and choose low-sodium alternatives or prepare meals at home using fresh ingredients, herbs and spices for flavor. 4. Saturated and trans fats. These types of fats can increase levels of harmful cholesterol in your blood and promote inflammation in the liver. Avoid or limit foods high in saturated fats such as fatty cuts of meat, poultry with skin, high-fat dairy products like whole milk, cheese, and butter, and palm oil. Trans fats are commonly found in fried foods, commercially baked goods, cakes, cookies, pastries, snack foods like chips and crackers, and some margarines. Check food labels for partially hydrogenated oils as an indication of trans fats. Coconut oil contains saturated fats, but recent studies have shown the saturated fats are beneficial. These saturated fats are rich in phytonutrients and polyphenols. In animal studies, coconut oil has been shown to reverse fatty liver. 5. Processed and packaged foods. These foods are often high in unhealthy fats, added sugar, sodium, and artificial additives. They can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and liver inflammation. Examples include processed meats, sausages, hot dogs, packaged snacks, chips, crackers, frozen meals, and fast food. These are the few foods that we should avoid or limit if a person has fatty liver. I hope this video was helpful for you.